Hey, this is a quick tip from the shack that Dennis built. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your refrigerator handle. This refrigerator, the handle is missing, and that's bottom both. I'm going to put both in, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Very simple. You open up your refrigerator. You see there's two screws on the top there in this particular model. Use my little screw gun, screw that thing out. Once you get the screw out, it's fairly simple. You take this and you pull this to the side, give it a little push, and you see that got a little slot in there that it slides into. Now it's off. That was really quick. Here we go. We're going to squirt a little bit of this good stuff on there. Grab sponge, a little bit of rasp on there. Give it a little bit of clean in here. And it's pretty stained. That's going to look okay. Now it's time to put the new one on. And I'm going to just use the same screw in the slot down here. Got my new one sitting here. Slip it on. If you need to loosen up that nut just a little bit until it can slip on. There, good. Slipped on. Put it up there. Now we're ready to put some new screws in. This one didn't come with the new screws. I guess I assumed you still have yours, so I had to go down to my little Ace hardware store where they have just about everything. I picked up some new screws. Okay, here we go. These happen to be 1/2 inch number 12s. Now we're going to put the upper one up. Get our fancy new gadget here. Slip that inside. Put it down. All right. Got one in. Got two in. Look at that. Now we have new handles on the fridge. So this has been a quick tip on how to replace the handles on your fridge. This is the shack that Dennis built. This is the fridge that sits in the shack that Dennis built.